All right, continuation. So the the issue was on the bottom of this pump, there's a extended attachment that actually will get to the bottom of this container. Uh-oh, the bat phone calling me. But that would help in my last video. So things are going a lot smoother now, and I'm not sucking up air. Alright, the president was calling me, but the president's gonna have to wait. I got higher priority. It's putting some transmission fluid in here so I can drive home tonight. But anyway, as you can see it, I'm working at a slightly awkward angle. But if you just keep pumping like so, it's going in there. Whew. I'm at about 20 pumps. I am 15 minutes into the job now, give or take, minus tool time setup, but I'm pretty good about this. Just got to keep it in the holder. I used about 1 quart. I've seen some like fancy electronic pumps somewhere. I think it was at Harbor Freight. Let's see if I can snake it up underneath. Maybe it'll be a little bit better. I think it was Harbor Freight where you can use an electric transfer pump to put fluid in things. Maybe if I become a mobile mechanic, I might do something like that. Where time is truly money. Whew. I'm getting like a little arm workout here. All the other videos on YouTube don't show guys doing all this. They must have some super edit speed mode or something. Well, I entertain myself, that's why. Alright, we're coming along. Well, if you're still with me, then that's good, but like I said, this is like kind of like watching paint dry. There you go. I switched to the left hand. Look at that. You know, left hand, I had to just get the thing set up right. And what I have been doing with my used oil is that I kind of live in the salt climbs, is I've been spraying on the frames of the vehicles I own. You know, my truck needs to be environmentally friendly, so I want to keep my truck oiled up. Don't need it rusting away. Yeah, man, so I spray oil on the inside of the frames and all over the place. Maybe keep the frame from falling in half in the next 25 years of usage. Who knows? Alright, what do we got here? We're getting there. As long as I see this going down, I believe we're getting stuff up in there. So that's a tip I use. I use the old used motor oil on the frames, spray it up in there, and I've used fluid film too, that stuff works well. And if you see any of my old Jeep videos, rusted Jeep, I actually sanded down some of the surface rust and primered and semi-glossed the frame, and then put flute film all over that. That was about a 10-hour job one day, maybe 15, I think. Yeah, it had to have been 15 because I did it overnight and let the primer dry. Come on. A little forearm workout doing this. I'm getting some air. Let's loosen that up. Yeah. Where are we at on this thing? Alright, I got 2 quarts in there. Oops. When I opened this thing up there, probably shouldn't have done that. But I wanted to see if I get air out of this thing. So I'll screw it back on there. There we go. Good as new. Alright, so I'll say I'm about total 20 minutes doing this from the continuation of the other video. So, manual labor of just pumping. If you don't stop. I'm kind of wondering if there was enough fluid in this manual transmission anyway, because nothing was leaking out and I didn't dip my finger in the top. But like everything else, I know it's gonna be right because I'm doing it. Alright, this thing's just about empty. Just want to make sure I have ample amount of fluid splashing up on all those gears. Alright, there's that little leak from the top. It's coming out from the top there. Good. We are full. Very good. And all the wow. I'm definitely full. Yeah. And according to the usage on the bottle, yeah, it's about 2.8 right there. Oh yeah. Almost put 3 in there. Alright, let's put that plug on there. Put that plug out. Alright. Get one thing at a time. Alrighty guys, well, there you have it. Let me just put the rest of this fluid back in this container. Reverse pump it in there. No, you can't see what I'm doing off camera. Oh. Uh-oh. Fix that later. All right. Lid on this thing here. All right. Yo. Alrighty, tidy left it loose. There we go. Switch sockets. Have to use 2 hands here. And one more. Bam. She stood. She ain't going anywhere. She's staying right there. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you're still out there watching, so have yourselves an AbleCraft day. If you want, video 1 will it's pretty much everything you needed to see, minus the finishing up part. You come back through and check this, make sure there is no crazy leaks on this thing. Anything coming out of the plug. You know, wipe it down and the heck, if you made it this far, then I think it's gonna be alright. Alright now, y'all have an AbleCraft day. Go ahead and do it yourself. Maybe save yourself, I don't know, save yourself some dollars and have fun doing it yourself. Take care.